Good morning. Etsy has announced some policy changes as far as the categorization of what we can sell on Etsy. And this is in the legal section on Etsy about what can be sold on Etsy. So it's not just, oh, we're naming things differently. There's a little more to it than that. And I've been giving this a lot of thought since yesterday. I've been going over all the policies, and I decided just to do a whole playlist about this because I think that over the next few months, this is going to evolve. There is a survey out there right now where you can give feedback on what you think. I gave them my feedback. They might not like to hear it, but I think that there are a lot of weaknesses, and I see what they're trying to do, but there are a lot of weaknesses in the way that this stuff is written. And we're going to go through all of it. This is a playlist that is going to go up today. I'm going to be adding videos today. So if you're a subscriber of this channel, I apologize for the multiple, the YouTube is just going to be telling you there's a new video, there's a new video. But I think I really do need to break this down into multiple videos. I was going to do a long one, but it would be really long. So watch for that. I'm going to start this playlist now. And as the day goes on, I'm going to be adding more videos. I'm going to try to get these all done just so I can get out of this, because I honestly am just tired of it now. But there is a lot to go over. So let's get started.